Hello and welcome to the program. I'm Ben Cleary. On today's program, we're going to be talking about Fee Collect and how you as a tax preparer can use Fee Collect in your business to really save you some time and help make your fee collection a lot easier. My guest today is Shannon Bond. Shannon is our Director of Product Management here at CCA Small Firm Services. Hi, Shannon.
Hi, Ben. How are you?
Great. Good to have you with us. Let's talk about Fee Collect a little bit. You know, this is a great tool to have.
It is.
If you don't do bank products, you know, but you still want some way of collecting your fees easily, making it easy on your client.
Correct.
Tell us a little bit about Fee Collect and some of the advantages there.
So, one of the requests we hear from tax preparers over the years is alternative ways to get paid on fees without extensive collection efforts on their part. Another issue that Fee Collect helps solve for some preparers is higher transactional processing costs, exchange rates on credit card or merchant processing transactions. Those can become quite expensive. Credit card processing, difficult to understand. I have one rate for this kind of card, one for this kind of card. With Fee Collect, you have a flat rate. It's going to be, the fee's going to be charged to the preparer, not to the client, to the taxpayer. It is not a bank product. I like to make that clear up front. We hear from a lot of customers, what are my options as far as settlement products? Fee Collect's one of them. Bank products are another settlement option, but in a completely different aspect. With the Fee Collect product, for a low fee of $15, you could offer any one of your clients the ability to pay you when they get paid. We all know that economic times are tough. The IRS has not made this a whole lot easier on us this year, just with filing season delays, refund delays potentially. We haven't even gotten to that point yet. Customers are feeling that too, so they're going to get their refund a lot later than they have in the past. So Fee Collect is just a very easy solution to get them their money into their account as quickly as the IRS makes the deposit. You're going to also get paid, and you don't have to go out seeking that money.
Let's talk about the advantage in using Fee Collect over, say, using credit cards. I mean, someone might think, well, it's just easy. Get the credit card, swipe the card, that's it. What advantage does Fee Collect give me over using a typical credit card transaction?
The true benefit from a credit card to Fee Collect is, one, those merchant account services, in some cases, merchant fees can be very high. If you're not doing significant amount of volume in credit card processing, you may have a clumsy system. It may not be that even from a workflow efficiency standpoint. You might be going to, your customer wants to pay, you have to go to another terminal to process that transaction. You may be using our iTransact solution, and merchant services works great for you, and that's awesome. This is another alternative if you don't have an integrated solution from a credit card standpoint. Additionally, doing it in the software, you've got some ability to track there. You can go back in the return, see what worked for the client in the prior year. Again, they're going to get their money right to their account through this. Your money's going to go right to your account as well. The typical ERO just wants to keep things simple, so building it into the software is just an easy option. You don't have to have any other third-party involvement here.
Great. Now, let's talk about the ease of use. How easy is it to actually use Fee Collect with my client?
Okay. Well, you and I are going to go through a demo so that we can show you exactly what you need to do if you'd like to use the product. The first thing you do, you as a tax preparer need to go onto the Solution Center and enroll. You enroll, so we have your bank account information correct. We know where you want fees deposited.
Right.
Once that's submitted, you go into the tax return, you prepare a return just like you always would. You mark the return for e-file, and you're going to go ahead and create and check the box to submit for Fee Collect. Then you're going to enter the client's direct deposit information, just like you would in a standard direct deposit. They also have the option this year to receive that onto a prepaid card if you have clients without a bank account. They could do that as well, and it's all right in the flow of your tax software.
Well, it sounds like a really easy thing for me as a tax preparer to use. It's going to save me some money. So Fee Collect's a good option if you don't want to use credit cards or you don't do bank products. If you would, take us into the software, show us how to sign up for Fee Collect, and then take us into our tax software and show us how to use it.
Sure, I can do that.
Enrollment in Fee Collect is a very simple process. From the TaxWise Solutions Center, click the Fee Collect option on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll to the bottom, select Yes, I would like to sign up to offer Fee Collect service, and click the Submit button. To create your Fee Collect enrollment form, click the link at the top of the page. Then enter the information related to your office and your preparers. When you have finished entering all of the information for your office, read the application for financial services below, scroll to the bottom, and click the I agree button. If there are any errors in the application, you'll see red diagnostic messages appear at the top of the screen. Simply scroll down and correct the information as indicated. You have now successfully submitted your application for Fee Collect. Now let's review selecting Fee Collect for a client within the TaxWise software. Scroll down on the main information page until you see the section for Fee Collect. Does the taxpayer want to have their tax preparation fees deducted from their refund? Check the box Yes. When you've selected Yes, the Fee Collect use and disclosure forms will appear in the tree at the left. Simply enter the taxpayer's PIN and the date signed. On both the consent to use as well as the consent to disclose forms within the software. The next step is to return to the main info page, again scrolling down to the bottom. Since Fee Collect is a direct deposit product, we need to ensure that you've successfully entered the routing and account number for the taxpayer on the main information page. Enter the RTN here and the taxpayer's account number here. Then go to the 1040, page 2. Again, scrolling down to the bottom. We're going to successfully enter the routing and account number a second time for verification. Select checking or savings account as appropriate, and enter the account number. For the last step, we need to click for the refund authorization form and complete the information as indicated. If the taxpayer chooses direct deposit, you select direct deposit under disbursement method located here. This year, the taxpayer also has the option to receive their refund onto a Diamond Plus card from TPG. If you are interested in enrolling for Diamond Plus, please contact TPG directly to enroll your office. You'll notice that the direct deposit information has successfully carried over from the main information and page 2 of the 1040. Now we just need to enter the identification of the taxpayer for verification purposes. I'm entering driver's license, the ID number of the license holder, the state that's issued the license, the date of issuance, and the date of expiration. Indicate the citizenship of the taxpayer, and you'll notice all of the red has gone away, and we now have a blue check mark. If this return is fully complete and is ready to e-file, you may run diagnostics and submit the e-filed return so your prep fees can be paid.
Shannon, thanks so much for showing us how easy it is to use Fee Collect. Once all the initial registration's done,
Yep.
clicking a box is pretty easy, and popping some figures in there makes it nice and easy there.
It certainly does. And so what we hope is that you can utilize Fee Collect, and at the end of season, if you've got outstanding receivables that you've been tracking down, you won't have those anymore this year, and you can spend more time on the beach and less time in your office.
Sounds good. Fee Collect, great product to try out. If you haven't tried it out this year, give it a try. You'll find out it's going to save you some money and save you a lot of effort too. So
Definitely.
it's a good thing. All right. We thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. I'm Ben Cleary. Bye-bye.